Short in legs but not in spirit, it's the story of a Clarendon farmer who continues to defy the odds. Now, as you'll hear from Kian Morgan, the farmer didn't allow his condition to render himself useless. We have more in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
I just don't have any foot. That's all I know. I just don't have any foot.
He's about half the height of an average man, but his zeal doubles that. Recently, A Ray of Hope visited Simon, a community in Clarendon, where we met Andrew Nelson, a farmer.
Andrew is just a normal person.
Andrew was born with no legs. However, he functions as a normal person would. He took us on his farm to show us the fruits of his labor.
I'm a guy just like to do something to make two ends meet. Farming is a long-term thing and is a resources to feed the nation.
On a typical day, Andrew would start farming from about 5 a.m. to noon. But that's just one of his many skills. When he's not on the farm, he's out with this weed whacker landscaping or building furniture at this woodwork shop.
We made the shop from scratch. I put on the roof with the zinc part. I am to that the part there. Love to be on the top. Whatever you give him to do, you don't want to show him one time.
Furniture work now, I've been to a shop for a number of years, so I learn it in the shop. But landscaping, I just saw people doing it and just tell myself so I can do it.
Andrew says it was hard getting a job. That motivated him to start working for himself.
Anyway, me go and try to ask you a job, then tell you say you're too short. I just use my intellect and say, all right, me go do some farming.
Tying that to the support he got from his friends and family bolstered his confidence.
Motivation by a friend never have a negative story around me.
Nobody never tried to discriminate.
Nobody never tried to discriminate me or nothing like that. A lot of people cheer me up. A lot of people say, what, young guy, oh, you're moving like that, you're moving fast, you're energetic. A lot of people just encourage me to do what I do.
And with that, he's encouraging others to mimic his determination.
There's a lot of things in Jamaica that you can do and a lot of things in the world that you can do to make two ends meet. Just motivate yourself and say, yes, you can do it.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.